In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a free business website in WordPress using Elementor, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to hire a developer, and you don't need to spend money on premium themes to follow along with this guide. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, professional-looking business website that you can customize for your own brand. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Appearance. Then click on Themes. This is where you manage and install themes for your website. If you already have a theme installed, that's fine, but for this tutorial, we're going to use a free and very popular theme called Astra. On the Themes page, click on Add New at the top, then use the search bar and type in Astra. When you see the Astra theme appear, click Install, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. Astra is lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with Elementor, which is why it's a great choice for a free business website. Now that Astra is activated, the next step is to install a starter template. Still under Appearance, you'll now see an option called Starter Templates. Click on that, and when it asks you which page builder you want to use, choose Elementor. This is important because Elementor is what we'll use to visually edit and customize the website. After selecting Elementor, you'll be shown a library of ready-made templates. In the Search or Category section, choose Business and browse through the available templates. Take your time here and pick a design that matches your business style, whether it's for services, consulting, local businesses, or online brands. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. The Setup Wizard will guide you through importing the demo content, pages, and layout automatically. This saves you hours of work because your site structure is created for you instantly. After the import is complete, go ahead and visit your website from the front end to review how it looks. You should now see a complete business website with pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact already set up. The next step is to customize it with your own information. To do that, go back to your WordPress dashboard, open one of the pages, such as the Home page or Contact page, and click Edit with Elementor. Inside Elementor, you can click on any text, image, or section and replace it with your own content. Add your business name, update your services, change images, and most importantly, add your contact details like your email, phone number, and address. Elementor makes this very easy because everything is drag and drop, so you can see changes in real time. Once you're happy with your edits, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a free business website in WordPress using Elementor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to build their own website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.